Hi guys, today is October the 16th after the market closed, and we're looking at a chart of S&P 500, and this is the channel that we're in. A lot of people said this is a twin top and it's a bearish condition, but I disagree at this point because it doesn't look like a twin top behavior. Otherwise we would have been in serious trouble here with this stock market, because this twin top would have resolved, broken down here 50-day, and would have come down here to 200-day. But today we rebounded. Yesterday we rebounded, and today there's a very nice candle here. You can see we're in the middle of this range, and the top on it is like 1467, 1470. So we may try to push up to that top. The market is oversold conditions, getting a little bit here, not neutral readings yet on the stochastic, so it can go even further here, but who knows that it'll get here and then get sold down here and then may go sideways for a while. So if you want to look at it, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart on S&P 500. From the get-go today, which is Tuesday morning, the market ran up on news that industrial production has increased to 1.45%. That report was on, and so other fundamental reports started pouring in. But the overall reason for this market, which was in a correction, as I have mentioned in my letter email, it was the market has been under correction. You can see we dropped here for a long time ago, and then we have been consolidating a little bit and then running up here. So this is a technical bounce that is really coming in here and bouncing off, because all these stocks and everything is now so cheap, and the major stocks are showing a lot of things here as well. Just let's take a look at a quick look on RUT, which is the broad market. And why do I care about RUT? Because it gives you a better perspective. You're not dependent on a single index, and this is the only service that we does. I know talks about it here on RUT indexes, RUT, NDX, as well as S&P 500. Look at this. It is bouncing off from the 50-day moving average here also. RUT, NDX, which is the technology, and we cover all three major indexes here, is now hitting here the 50-day moving average. Now we were below that 50-day for some time. This is the NASDAQ 100, which contains Apple, Google, and all those major big stocks here. So Apple is of course 18% of this weighted average, and is oversold. When the market is like this and in correction, you don't want to be trading here unless you know how to short, and that's what exactly the professionals have been doing, and shorting these stocks and taking it down so they become cheaper. They go ahead and book some more and buy them, and now on the way up they make another money. So it's a round trip, quite a profitable cycle to generate that. People get disheartened and give up and forget about trading, and they throw the towel in. But the market never sleeps or stops. As long as the conditions are okay economically, the market will continue making some kind of a progress here. Let's go into some stocks here very quickly. I'm going to take this stock here, Apple, and then I'm going to consider some other stuff here very quickly. Apple is in that trading range, and if you look at it here, I'm going to bring it up here on 15 minute, and you can see Apple is in that trading range and was basing here, and today it broke out from that range to 650, and it's also trading after hours. So let's look at this a little bit further out, and you can see this was the trading range established since Monday, last Monday, and today is Wednesday, and in a week or so it established itself, based here quite a bit, a lot of trading here and back and forth, and then it broke out here, but it's hitting this resistance 650, and the next resistance is 660, which is the 50-day moving average, which is lying right above here, 650 here. So Apple is like this in trying to make good progress. It ran up about 15 points. I mean, what else you can expect? PCLN, which is another stock here, let's look at it. And PCLN is also caught in that trading range. It made a real low 585, which is dropped here from 643 to 585. That's a 60-point drop here, and now it tried to go up higher today. 608 met its 50-day resistance here, and then it just broke down and finished the day 1597. Hopefully this will also resolve to the upside to 610 or so, and we'll close that position very quickly. This is the daily chart. Let's look at it, the daily on it, and this is what a daily chart looks like here. This is hitting that 50-day line right here. And some other stocks on Google, which I want to cover very quickly, and we have something, is also below